How's everybody doing? Okay. Let's get this going. Today, I'll be playing a bit of Underlords. Haven't done it in a while. I actually missed the game, so let's just go ahead and do some knockouts. Ooh, level 159, wow. This seems fun. I'm gonna put the shaman in the back with that rider. Oh, ability damage. Yes, I do. Put that on Dazzle and bring back Bristleback and then also the Beastmaster. Ooh. Oh, I thought we got an upgrade, but Lycan is gonna be great in this combo. Thinking about placing one of these. Yeah, sure. I can bring 3 up front, like this T-shape. Probably gonna return back the the shaman, but I think it's better to have Lycan at the beginning. But the game meta also changed a lot since I was gone. I didn't play for quite a while. But hey. It was a good battle. Lycan's still dominating. I actually don't know which one to pick. Let's go damage.
Leave it to me. White fire will be mine.
And there we go. We have all the bonuses ready. Magnus is gonna fit in perfectly. And Spirit Breaker is also okay. But Magnus is just like 1 cost unit right now, so I don't know. We'll see.
Let's get down into
Bristleback is only 2-star. We shouldn't have put it. Shouldn't have put him at the front like that. But 1 lose is okay, I guess. Depends if this guy, our hero, whatever he's called, if he turns out big. Yeah, it's not gonna happen. Okay. I really like the Dragonlance, but I also need a tank, so Lycan to get a tank. Actually, Beastmaster is. And then
My magic is even stronger.
show me your enemies.
10th is the Lycan, not worth it.
Payback time, baby.
Venomancer, should I go for him? Yeah. We can go for summoning thingies. Whatever they're called. Summoner class. All the way. That's what we're gonna do here. let's see, we have Lycan and then we can replace him.
My plans are coming to fruition.
Oh, actually no, because we lost the Savage bonus. So, forget about that. Let's see, what's up for grabs? Queen of Pain, yeah, solid choice, but... Oh no! Okay, you are going away. Yes, no, maybe. Yep. I didn't see the... Oof. He's strong. He has a lot of 2-star units, but so do I. So... we don't need swordsmen or brutes, but cooldowns, sure. Let's see who has the best abilities. Not really sure. Is gonna go on to Shaman because 20 seconds. This is 30%, so percent base on the biggest cooldown. Okay, bada bing, bada boom. Let's see if this can win anything. Come on. That's it. Now when we bring in the Queen of Pain, everything is gonna be even better. And also we have the Tenant Protector, but oh man.
Let me help you.
It's hard to do this, but I need the Queen of Pain. Dragon Knight is also amazing. Okay, that's it. We don't have anything else on main dragon. All dragon units unlock additional draconic ability. Maybe instead of Queen of Pain, I go for the Viper. Let's see how the Queen of Pain does. She can do damage. She can do damage, but it's not that much, so... bye. Hello. Oh, no, 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 no. Okay. We need a tank. Let's see what's gonna happen. Can also do this. Let me see. Is that the right thing to do? Oh fuck, man. No. I thought... Oh man. Okay. I messed up. Okay, we're good. I think we're good. Pretty sure.
I hope we are more prepared this time.
Okay, let's see. I have a good tank. This should be close. At least. I wasted a lot of money on these, but hey. I think I'm gonna win. Because we have 3-star tank. Yep. 3 star tank. 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 Now, as far as continuing on this path, I think Viper is the next one, or Dragon Knight. Yeah, Knights take less damage. Let's see if I can get anything upgraded. Yeah, that's nice. We can do this so that we get the 40 plus damage, which will be very useful. Yeah, that's it. GG. I think we win. Should win this easily.
I do whatever I want.
Oh my god, I didn't even equip this. Oh, damn it. Okay, this is gonna be easy. Wait. There we go, and yeah, let's go crazy on rerolls because we need something incredible. Ah, GG. GG's. It's done. Let's see what we can do. My items weren't even equipped right, so I'm thinking this should be okay. But actually, I'm getting destroyed because I didn't adjust at all. But hey, second or third place is okay.
We should feel good.
Plop. Get the music up a bit. Come on. Both magic resistant and triangulate attack. I don't like these. I like this. So we're gonna summon units and also we're gonna boost this up to like the end tier. Okay, this is nice. Omni Knight doesn't really go well into this composition. Lich, I don't know. I can buy them too. I can sell them for the same cash, same money. But I think this will be fine. We're strong early because of the heals and the triangulated attacks. But hey, let's see. Maybe something weird happens. What we do need in this game is a tank, because if they focus on our damage dealers, we're going down. So Jewel, without a doubt.
I will not lose what I built.
Tenet is a much better choice because we needed a tank, so that's what I'm going for. Lycan again. Not gonna mess this up. Not gonna get him. Nothing too interesting, actually. Let's see if we win this. There should be enough tanks to just absorb the damage, and our Storm Spirit should be able to just annihilate them, but let's see. Let's see what happens. Actually, I lost. Wow. This is very weak. I passed on Lycan, but I can bring him to 2 stars. He's a strong unit, but I don't want to go that way.
You know he said I had a good feeling earlier. This time he really did it.
Lich is gone. Omni Knight. Well, we won. So good on us. I'm gonna get Kunkka in. That shipwreck is probably gonna save us. Gonna separate out these spirits. Make sure they don't have any items on them. Okay. Kunkka's gonna be here. That's why I'm grouping these 3. Actually, let's move them a bit. So, look at that. Oops, I didn't rope. It's okay. Juggernaut could be good. We're still rolling like cheap units. But let's see what happens.
Spirit brothers, get to work. When the brothers stand back, nothing can stand in their way. That went rather poorly.
It's really hard to do shamans right now because there's not enough shamans to do. I think we're gonna lose, sadly. Okay, this looks promising. Focusing on the fallen demons and brawny. Yeah, that's awesome. Not sure how I like this. This is great. There's not really a better start. Vengeful Spirit can be here. Yeah, we got this. We pretty much got whoever the first enemy is, but somehow... Did we skip first round? What happened? I'm not sure. Doesn't matter. This guy didn't spend any gold. It's his default. So, we win. Default lineup always loses, right? So, we can be... We basically have... We're fourth at the worst possible... As the worst possible outcome, so...
White Spire's secrets was belong to me.
Just a sec, I need to buy a unit. So Drow Ranger looks great
They won't live
for
long
this.
enough to be scared.
Nothing else worth buying. I wouldn't say so. Okay. Drows should be safe here, but you never know. Beastmaster, the MVP. Let's just get that to Beastmaster so he can stay alive longer. Now... Magnus is okay. I don't feel like we need Enchantress.
So this is White Spire, eh?
Luna is even better than Magnus. Maybe not. But hey, Luna or Magnus going next. Let me see.
Your army pales in comparison. I don't know when to give up.
You're dead. Yeah, Luna is next.
White Spire will be mine.
My house is strong. My will stronger.
Let's go hunting.
Nice. Nothing to get.
The ever vigilant.
I just need to protect my demon a bit more. Maybe like that. I hope Luna doesn't take too much time to get up there. So something like that should work. Hunter. Do we need hunters? I don't think we do. Nothing here. Anti-mage? No. That profit is great. I just don't have time to put it on board. So I'm sure we can.
Stop dying.
Take away Luna, maybe? Is it Luna? Not sure. Let's see. Now this vengeful spirit is out, and in with the death prophet. Now Terrorblade is gonna get an upgrade, and Magnus is gonna give me some more synergies. Also Lone Druid and the Wind Rager are great. Oh yeah. Okay, that should be good. Now let me think. Maybe I want to do what we have already. Terrorblade. So Lone Druid, he doesn't help us much. Beastmaster, I think we have one. So, yeah, Lone Druid is gonna get sold because we don't need it. Attack speed, sure. And then put this on her, him. Pudge is great, but no place for him. Okay, so our Vengeful Spirit is now on 2, but we have 2 health, so we can. Either replace you or upgrade you. Vengeful Spirit is going back. Yeah, definitely.
We need to adapt.
Also the Drow Ranger,
You seek the shadow here.
we should have rolled more. Yeah, we're done. Damn it.
You may not have won, but you made them work for
Third
it.
place again. let's try standard, which will be a bit more relaxed. Not that high-paced. Let's see where that gets us. Okay. Oof. I need to buy. Let's see. Bat Rider, Venomancer, and Meepo. Whoops. Lich? I'm not sure, but let's try. Wait, what? This is combat round against the player. But why? Doesn't this start with bots? Used to. Okay.
We make this look easy.
Okay, somebody disconnected, I guess, or pulled their units completely. What? What you doing, dude? Venomancer, yeah, that's it. Venomancer's units are gonna deal some damage. I think Meepos can survive. Damn it. That was close. But it didn't lose any hull, so not bad. Just a sec. Yeah, okay, fine.
Put me on the field and I'll do the rest.
I think I'm gonna sell you and have a Wind Ranger. We're dead. Maybe if Meepos tank all the damage. Maybe, just maybe we'll be alive. Nope. Oh, come on. which is getting an upgrade. But let's see if... I'm just gonna think about this for a moment.
We can't.
So we have the poisons, we have the fallen. Let's buy Queen of Pain, just in case. Then free roll, upgrade Vengeful Spirit, and I'm gonna sell you off.
The house of Avernus will stand above others.
Okay. Now the thing that we're gonna do is in play, in play, in play. Okay, and then we can think about what should we do. So we're gonna have some trouble if we keep these, because rogues and summoners are not gonna do anything for us. I'm gonna regret this, but hey, whatever. Am I gonna poison? Am I gonna sell poison? Am I gonna sell poison? Yes, I am. Gonna get a draw ranger. Think what to focus on. Poisons are going out, right? We have a lot of money. So this is where we have 79 health. It's still the beginning, but we have a lot of hunters. And I think I'm gonna go towards hunters. So let's get some items. This is gonna be useful. Okay, Wind Rager is gonna get that item. And now
They know what it means to suffer.
We can do this.
you can't give up on the fallen. You have to go all out on them. That's both good and bad.
You have exquisite taste. I wish it didn't come to war, but it is a war I will win.
Terrorblade is next 10.
I am surrounded by
I wouldn't want to sell anybody from here, but I think I'll have to.
I was unprepared.
Okay. I gotta expand my field. There's no way around it. Okay, 1, 2, 3, let's go.
Be pushed around.
Now the next one in. Yeah, HackerRank is a better choice.
we were
Oh, 2 Terrorblades, come on. Oh, I can't wait for that.
Your assassins will regret coming here. You will not take me down.
Yeah, no need to hurry. But finally, we have the lineup we wanted. So, 5, 10, 15. We're gonna wait for that. Great, Drow Ranger level 2. Terrorblade is already level 2. Free reroll. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna place the units a bit differently. There we go. This should be okay, and Terrorblade is gonna come in the middle. Oh no. Drow Ranger.
I am
Wind Ranger should end this. End them. And now we're gonna have Terrorblade. Yep. For 15 gold. Actually, equipped hero as a hunter works well here, because we need one less hunter to get our full benefit.
I will be Lord of Fightspire.
Let's get Terrorblade up front, see what he can do, and then just see what will be our last hunter, warrior, whatever they're called. So let's see. In terms of importance, these two are the most important. Yeah.
That was rather unpleasant.
Okay, now we start just winning till the end. get our units down.
We got a fight on our hands.
And once we do that, it's going to be easier to reroll, because now we don't have much use of gold. It just gives us +2, whatever. We only need one more hunter to have the hunter pack done. And we have an extra fallen that we don't need. So let's see who's that fallen. That's Abaddon, yeah. Just replace him. And the item. There. We might as well sell Abaddon, because I don't think we're gonna upgrade him anytime soon. Terrorblade, on the other hand, great choice. Luna is not bad, but for now we're just gonna keep cash, because I think with 7 units we have the advantage to kill most of these, and 7 units and also 6 hunters. Yeah, we're just gonna enjoy the ride for now. There's Lich, and also Beastmaster, so Abaddon, you're gone.
The worst of winter comes.
Oh, Death Prophet. Oh man. Should I sacrifice Vengeful Spirit?
Drag every opportunity. Your needs won't save.
Okay, so Lich is 1.5k health. How many people does Lich kill? 7. Okay. Yeah, Beastmaster, that's what we needed. Someone on the board to get an upgrade. Also, there's nothing here of interest.
We won't be made fools of again.
Thinking about replacing. Oh, I can't really. Yeah, I can. I can carry the item over. But actually, I should have put the item on. Yeah, that's gonna be a better use of the item. Okay. Death Prophet, come on. Just one more.
Smart investment.
Anti-Mage is level 1 with us, so we need an upgrade on that. currently, the thing I would sell quickest is the Lich. Then maybe an anti-mage. Wait. This doesn't work. What happened? Somehow I don't have all the hunters. What the fuck? How is this not? Ah, damn it. Put it on a hunter. That's stupid of me. I'll put it on Vengeful Spirit. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 times 5. Yeah, we can do that. We can do 30 gold. Okay, Ethan is crushing it. Good job, Ethan. Now we're gonna go on to that profit, and let's see what happens.
I will fight till my last breath.
Have another Lich.
I will not.
Damn it, man. Beastmaster Lich. Lich. Okay, let me think. These three I'm gonna stay. I'm gonna put these three here. That. Drought Ranger on the right. We need some upgrades. Come on, people. I don't need more units, I just need more upgrades. So Lich is going away, I guess. Yeah, Vengeful Spirit could go first. And then Lich. That's solid. Wraith King would be great, but how the fuck am I gonna?
I am immortal. Wraith be on the front.
Let's see. I have 1-star Death Prophet and 1-star someone else. Oh, only Death Prophet. That Death Prophet is gonna switch places with Great King. Yeah. Oh, this is gonna be awesome.
Your rivals will regret opposing you.
Oh, Lich again. Lich, you come in the wrong, like, at the wrong time. Drought Ranger or Beastmaster, Beastmaster. Yes. Please. More.
Choice.
Just one more Wind Ranger. Ah, damn it. One more Wind. If we survive this, I just need one more Wind Ranger. Oh, am I gonna survive this? No. No, I'm not. These are so annoying.
That was 6th place. Huh?
That was bad. But okay. That was bad, but that was enough. Let's change the music. Oof. Okay. Now we're gonna go to coding. There we go. I'm gonna be back soon. As soon as I set up. See you in 5 to 10 minutes. like that. Okay. Now as for the stream, I'm gonna adjust this just a bit. Oops. I added something wrong. Come on. There we have it. Okay, here we go. Let's see. Okay, everything is set up. Okay. We're continuing the practice of problem solving. I don't know where we left off. Minimax sum. Okay, turn off the light. There we have it. So, as far as this problem is concerned, we have an array given, and then we should return the minimum and maximum sum of the array. Now, last time, as you might or might not remember, I said that, well, after I thought about the problem for a bit, I said that to get the maximum sum, you need to eliminate the minimum element. And also to get the minimum sum, you need to eliminate the maximum element. But the problem arose when you had multiple maximum and multiple minimum elements. What does that mean? Well, if the array was full of ones, one is both a minimum and both a maximum element. So if you just outright deleted the elements, you would delete the whole array. So, to cope with that, we're just going to sort the array and then give the sum of all elements without the first one and give, or the 0th one, and then give the sum of all elements excluding the last one, which will be the biggest. So yeah, let's do that. So our function is called, I'm just going to get for. Actually, we're gonna write some pseudocode here. So here, sort the array. then sum the max sum excluding the 0th element from the array, and then sum the min sum excluding the n-1 element from the array. So here's what we have to do, and then return the, let's just comment this out, return the maximum and the minimum sum. Now, as far as you first return the minimum, then the maximum. So minimum and the maximum sum. And we're also gonna calculate the minimum sum first. Okay, there we go. Now, how do we do this? Well, we're using JavaScript, and to learn how to JavaScript sort, you just enter in your browser how to sort in JS, and let's see what pops up. You have the sort method that sorts the item of an array. The sort order can be either alphabetical or numerical, and either ascending or descending. By default, the sort method sorts the values as strings in alphabetical and ascending order. This works well for some strings, I don't know. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're just gonna type in array.sort. We have a sorted array. Now, how to sum elements in JS array, or how to sum specific elements. So, thinking about now, I'm thinking about how not to complicate this. So let's just do a for loop that is going to go from 0, and it's going to be less than the array length, and is going to go one element at a time. So we can also say var min sum and max sum, and then for if I not equals 0, then min sum actually not equals r length minus 1. If it's not at the last element, we want to add the current element of the array to our min sum. And if I is not at the very beginning, oh my god. If it's not at the very beginning, we want the max sum to increase. And once we have both of these, so here we're summing the min sum. Here we're summing the max sum. And then returning. So we're just gonna return min sum min sum and max sum. don't think that Java. I'm not sure, but let's try it like this, like an object, because I'm not sure that we can return like that, like we initially specified. Okay, let's run the code. Maybe we should just console log. Let's try to console log. So first we didn't have no output, but let's just try to console log min sum max sum instead of returning anything, just to see if it works. Yeah, it works. So console log is a great way to output things, and let's try and test against an array full of zeros or ones, actually. Okay, so not sure. Oh no, what did I do? Okay. It's all's good. Maybe my input wasn't okay. Okay, so I just need to separate them with spaces. There we go. Run the code. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. I'm gonna submit it. And there we have our solution to the min and max sums. Next challenge. You are in charge of the cake for a child's birthday. Okay, you have decided the cake will have 1 candle for each year of their total age. They will only be able to blow out the tallest of the candles. Count how many candles are the tallest. Okay, I have no idea what I just read. Okay, the maximum height candles are 4 units high. There are 2 of them, so return 2. Complete the function birthday cake candle and enter below. Birthday cake candle has the following parameters. We have the candles, which represent their height also, and then we need what are the number of candles that are the tallest. Okay. So we have how many candles we have, and then we have how many then we have the heights of the candles, then the output. So what you want to do here is also, let me see. Yeah, you can also sort the array. So sorting helps here because no matter how many candles you have, you're not gonna be wrong, because first what you're gonna do is you're gonna sort the candles by height, because you're not altering the way the candles look on the cake. You're just saying, okay, I'm buying the candles, I want to count how many of them the child is gonna blow out. So you arrange the candles in front of you based on height. Now when you do that, it gets really easy to say, okay, I have this much of the candles that are the biggest ones, I guess. Then we need some kind of var counter, which will set to 0, meaning that the child will blow out no candles. And then we're going to get a for loop that's going to start from the end. So var I is going to be equal to the candles dot length minus 1, of course, and then the I is going to have to be bigger than minus 1, You can also say bigger or equal to 0, but I just like to say bigger than -1. So we don't ever want I to go out of the array, and the first element in the array is a 0, so decrementing beneath the value of 0 is not allowed here. And we're going to say I minus minus. Now the array is sorted, so we're just looking at the last element. And if we get to a point, actually I'm going to put this to a 0, since just to because I thought of a case where you wouldn't even want it to be 0 because of this if statement that I'm going to write. So what you're going to do is if the candle's value in I is equal to the candle's value of I minus 1, then there's one extra candle that needs to get blown out, I guess. So we're going to increase or increment our counter. Now, what I wanted to do here, okay, so if we enter this function, that means that candles exist. So that means that at least one is going to be blown out. This handles the case. Yeah, I think this is okay. This handles the case where an empty array is handed over to the function, and then I don't know, man. Let's just put an if there. If candles counter equals 1, and initialize it with 0. So if the candles aren't even forwarded to the function, you're gonna have the counter set to 0 because there will be no candles. But if the candles exist, there is gonna be at least one that's gonna be the top height. Even if only one candle exists, this even if candles, I guess the array of candles contains only one candle, this for loop will not iterate. It will not go anywhere. It won't even start because it won't satisfy the condition. So you want to make sure that the counter is on 1 at the beginning, and then afterwards, if it finds more of the same height candles, it just needs to add them to the sum. Okay, now that we got that, we're just gonna console log counter, and we're done. We can run the code. Okay, we have the wrong answer, probably because of this if. Maybe let's just initialize with 1 and see if it's because of the if. Nope. Okay. So input is 3213. If we sort it, it's gonna be 1233. Our counter is gonna be 1. Our output is undefined. Not really sure why, but let's try to see and debug. Oh wait, we're expecting a return of the counter. So our previous task didn't expect a return, so I just presumed that this one wouldn't also, but it does, because it's saving the result to a variable. On the previous task we didn't have that, so yeah, stupid error, but happens. We can submit the code. We failed the 2 test cases. Let's think about it. Why would that happen? Let's test against an input. Let's just run the code. Input is okay. Let's copy this input to see that we have the right format. Okay. Let's put 0, 0, 0. Yeah, that's fine. I want to unlock one of the test cases. So 5 hackos. What's a hacko? I have no idea. But let's try to unlock it. Okay. $7174 should be the... Oh wow, what an input. 7174. But there's candles that are bigger. Okay, never mind. Let's try this input. This crazy input. I don't think this is okay. Expected output. That's bad. I mean, your test is wrong. How do you... There's 100,000 candles, and the first one is bigger than your expected output. How do you... What? What? Wow. Oh wait, that many candles should be... Oh, I see. Let's... Oh, okay. Let's try to find a page. Sort members online. Great. Oh, maybe our sorting algorithm takes too long. Maybe the time constraint here is to be linear. In which case, I have a solution for that, but oh my god, come on. Okay, fine. Alright. So, let's see if it's the speed. I don't like that it doesn't tell you why your solution didn't make the cut. But hey, if it's the speed, just let me know. So, an easier solution is to do the next thing. You don't need sort. You don't need a lot of these things, so let's just comment it out. That's kind of silly, but fine. So what you want to do is say a variable max value of array equals to candles.max. Now you go through the whole array, one element at a time. And say if that element that I'm looking at, the ith index of candles, is equal to the max value of array, then the counter should go up. That's it. Whenever you find it, you count it up. And the counter starts at 0. Or you can just uncomment the first line. So yeah, let's run the code. Oh, I see. This is not the proper way to use the syntax in JavaScript. You need to use math.max of candles. Semicolon. Run code. Submit code. Easy. Given a time in 12-hour AM/PM format, convert it to military 24-hour time. Note, 12 is on a 12 AM on a 12-hour clock, is 000 on a 24-hour clock. 12 p.m. on a 12-hour clock is 12 on a 24-hour clock. Example: 12:01 p.m. returns 12:01. Okay. So the minutes aren't converted. That's the first thing to notice. Only the hours. Let's see. So what you want to keep in mind here is that if you try to calculate, let's say 19 minus 7, or any other time, 24 minus 12, you're gonna get 12-hour difference, and that 12-hour difference is only gonna apply when there is PM here. Unless it's 12 at the beginning, where it will apply the inverse of that. That's pretty much all the rules. So let's see, how do we read the lines? Okay, we just get a string. So how a good thing to Google, I guess, would be, let me just switch this. Okay, a good thing to Google would be, how do you string, what's it called, the string thing, string processing in JS. Now you can check ends with, and this is something that we're gonna use. So if it ends with PM, we're gonna have, and also we can starts with. So ends with and starts with are gonna be the main things that we use to check the condition. So what we're gonna do is, first condition is gonna be if S actually ends, let's get that. So the application of these methods, you can click on any of them, and then you're gonna see how to do it. So you say your S dot starts with something. So if our S ends with PM, then we have a reason to change the time. Else if our S ends with AM, we have a different reason to change the time. Actually, if it ends with AM, we need it also to start with starts with, and we need to put in 12. So this is the only time we're gonna switch the AM, and there's one time that we're not gonna switch to PM. So it has to end with PM, and S starts with 12. So if it's 12 p.m., there's no change. So if it ends with PM and starts and not starts with 12, then change. If not, don't do anything. But if it's like this, if it's 12 and it's AM, change to 00, the first element. I just realized that my chat is nowhere to be found, so I'm sorry if I missed some messages. Let me just see. That's all good. Chat is dead. Okay, I can get back to this, and I can keep my chat right there. Actually, yeah, like that. Now, one more thing. Once we do our conversion, you're gonna notice that the AM and PM also disappears or gets deleted. So, just one thing that I can't remember right now. So the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna use a function called replace, and after we did the conversion, we're gonna replace s replace, then we have the AM with nothing, and also s replace PM with nothing, and then return s. Now, var time is going to be s, my music has gone. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get a variable that's gonna extract or give us a substring, actually. Substring of our string s. It's going to go from the 0th element to the 2nd element. And then we're going to say time plus equals 12. And then we're going to say something that's going to replace the string. Let me see. So JS replace first two characters. String of 1 plus string of 0 plus string slice 2. So what slice does it just eliminates a part of the string. So how does it do it? You just say which part of the string you want replaced. So I'm thinking about how many characters do we have in a string that contains numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 characters. Oh my god. Ten characters. Okay. Now var or s dot slice. S is going to become s dot slice of 2 to 10. And then time plus s is going to be the new s. Okay. And okay, and if it's like this, we're gonna slice it and then say s is equal to 0, 0 plus s. Let's see what does this do. Okay, so we got 705. What? We have seconds? I didn't count seconds, man. 1, 0, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, 8, 9. Okay. Maybe this was wrong. But how we got 12, I'm not sure. And what? Let's just console log time. me see if this works correctly. Actually, no. Let's return time. Because the writing is done in the main. So our time is 7:12. Yeah. It's not actually adding it. Okay. So we're gonna parse int it, right? Parse int of time and plus equals 12. Will it work? Will it work? No, it won't. Okay. First of all, we need to get the music started again. And then we need to see what happened with parse int. That's okay. Now the last thing we need to do is we need to replace the AM and PM. I thought this was doing that, but it seems it isn't. So I'm just gonna slice. Oh, actually S equals. Wow. That was stupid. But since we can slice it, we don't need to replace it. Just gonna put 0, 8. I wonder if this is gonna work on all these test cases. Yep. Sweet. Yeah, I'm not gonna share. Chinese. Oh. You can click on Chinese. Whoa. Okay. Oh my god. We're starting with graphs. No. I want the easy challenges. Let's take a look. Don't have much time left. It's almost 8. So I think I'm gonna be finishing the stream then. Because we did the prep, I guess. The initial problem solving. Maybe I'll go into the 10 days of JavaScript, or just get certified in JavaScript basics and in problem solving basics, and we can do it in a video. Okay, yeah. I think that's gonna be it. I'll continue on doing things on HackerRank. I don't know where I got these hackos or whatever. But I'm gonna do more. So yeah. Next stream is gonna be on Saturday at 3. From 3 to 5. That's when I'm gonna start. And then I'm gonna code for probably 4 to 5 hours. I don't think I'm gonna be playing games on Saturday. Today I played some games, but yeah. Okay, that should be it. Thank you for watching, thank you for dropping by, and see you in the next one. Okay, it's Sunday.